ImbueDesk is excited to invite you all to be part of IIIP ImbueDesk International Internship Program. We will help you master your basics, build real-time projects, and make you gain experience to work with us part-time and full-time. Be part of our revolutionary platform to work with us on our open-source projects and gain international experience. On completion of this course, you are given an assignment to finish. Those who finish the assignment are awarded with project-based work experience certification and lot other benefits. We will train you on latest technologies. We will make you a professional in your chosen technology. We will make you gain experience in your chosen technology by making you build 20+ real-time projects during our IIIP Level 2, Level 3 courses. To know more about IIIP, you can always contact ImbueDesk team as mentioned.
Hello, welcome to the series of videos which give you the glimpse of the Internet of Things part in the ImbueDesk International Internship Program. Without wasting time, let's dive into the outline of this. This is the outline of the IoT course. Firstly, you will be taught some basic concepts in IoT. Then you will be briefed about two microcontrollers, Arduino and NodeMCU. Then you will be taught what all are the topics we cover as a part of ImbueDesk International Internship Program. After that, we go through the Tinkercad with the help of the basic example, that is Blink LED. Then we finally do two projects, automatic theft monitoring system using Tinkercad, which will be done online completely, and flame detection using a NodeMCU. And finally, we'll see some of the projects you'll do if you register for IIIP. Before entering deep into IoT, let's examine these two GIFs. In the first one, 4 sensors data is sent to a gateway, which then sends data to a switch, which in turn sends data to cloud and a data lane. Whenever data is not received by gateway is not sending data to the switch, and the switch is alerting the user. In the second GIF, data from different things are transferred to other. Some things are sending data to microcontroller, some to cloud, some for analytics, and some to mobile application. Even microcontroller, cloud, analytics, and mobile application are connected, and required data is transferred and rest is ignored. This is simply how the Internet of Things works. In the next slide, we get to know the definition of Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things? As you can see here, some data is sent and received by device. Similarly, for sake of business development and or user to monitor data. Now let's look into the Wikipedia's definition. The Internet of Things, IoT, describes the network of physical objects, that is things or objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. So the full form itself can be broken down into parts to help understand the definition of IoT. Things means objects which are capable of sending and or receiving data. Internet means interconnecting these things according to the requirement. So, in simple terms, Internet of Things means connecting things which has functions to sense or manipulate data to the internet in order to transmit and receive data, and also be able to control a thing with another. Let's now see the 7-layer architecture in IoT. I hope you got something about IoT. Now let us look at the IoT World Forum reference model which happened in 2014. It stated that entire processes that are a part of Internet of Things can be classified into 7 different layers, namely the things layer, the connectivity layer, the edge computing layer, the data accumulation layer, data abstraction layer, application layer, people and process layer. You might be wondering what these layers mean. It is explained in the next slide. Let's come from the bottom. The first layer, physical devices and controllers, is the layer in which all the things are present. I hope you are already aware of the things present in IoT. In the second layer, connectivity related to two or more things is done. We'll be able to communicate one thing's data to other thing in this layer. All the data taken from the things will be processed in the sense, for example, analog output from temperature sensor will be multiplied with a formula to get the exact value, and the necessary data will be sent to the above layers, data accumulation and data abstraction, where data will be stored in one place and data relevant to one section will be placed together. Next, all the processed data will be used according to our requirement. We can move an actuator and or activate a sensor according to the requirement. For example, in the project which we'll do, we activate buzzer whenever some mischievous process is encountered. Finally, in the seventh layer, we include people and business processes. For example, turning off a motor when there is an overflow. This is simply the 7 layer model. That's all for this first video. I hope you like this video. In the next thing, you will be introduced to Arduino. Thank you.